Just over a month ago, I got a hair system, and I have been getting a lot of questions over the past several weeks about what it feels like and what it takes to maintain a hair system. The first question people ask is it itchy? No, surprisingly, it's not. Because it's glued and secured to my head, I don't even feel it. The first day that it's glued or re-glued, it feels a little tight, like you have, a sock on your head that is just kind of tight, but it feels good. It's not an uncomfortable tightness. And then about half a day later, you can't even feel it. So right now, I don't even feel that I have something on my head. It just feels like it's my actual hair. Second of all, I live in Arizona where it's on average 108, 110 degrees right now in July. And I sweat a lot, and it's okay. It still doesn't lift up. If I'm working out or doing yard work or something that's causing me to be extra sweaty or warm on my head, then I won't pull on my hair or comb my hair or style my hair until I've cooled off, because the warmness of my head will thin out the glue and cause lifting. I've only had to reapply the hair system once completely with new glue. This is a brand new hair system that I got from LaVivid hair systems. And so I just tried it new, and my amazing wife cut this for me from just a brand new toupee and cut it down to fit my head and the hairstyle. I love it. It feels so good. It's real hair. It's soft and it's easy to do. I just wet it in the shower and then I just blow dry it and add very little product just to kind of keep the shape. And so if you're looking to do a hair system and you're nervous about some of those things, it's very comfortable. I do wear kind of like a silk lined cap at night, just to maintain the toupee, because I also have a CPAP machine that I have the mask for, and so I didn't want the mask to rub the hair out. I fully wash it with shampoo and conditioner about twice a week, but the rest of the time, every day, I just completely wet it. I brush through it to get rid of the tangles and then add a little bit of product on it. It is very easy to maintain, and it's been an amazing month, and I get compliments all the time that I look 10 to 15 years younger. I love how I look on it, and it just feels really great. And I waited 6 years to do this, and I was so nervous about it, but I'm so glad that I did, and I did it for myself, and I love the self-confidence that it has given me. So if you have any other questions on what it feels like or what the routine is, things like that, let me know. I also have other videos showing the process of taking it off, adding the glue, and things like that. So more to come, but if you're looking for a hair system that is a great price, check out LaVivid Hair Systems, and it's a great product. I highly recommend it.